Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Preferred RV Resort in Pahrump, Nevada. Welcome to Preferred RV Park in Pahrump, Nevada. This is a brand new one on me. It's a retractable roof pool and it is very popular. Now you have a handful of casinos to choose from in Pahrump, and the best one is directly across the street from Preferred RV Resort, and that's Pahrump Nugget, and they actually have a poker room there. Or if the casinos in Pahrump just don't do it for you, you can just go down the hill and visit the mega resorts in Las Vegas, only a few minutes away. Or if casinos aren't your thing at all, you can visit the local wineries and visit Death Valley National Park. I very rarely feature a propane station, but I gotta tell you, this is a really nice touch, having a little bit of shade while you're waiting on your propane. And by the way, this is the cheapest propane I've ever run across in the country. Not only are there a lot of scheduled activities at Preferred RV Park, but there's a lot of things here that you can do on your own as well. This is the Woodworking Shop, and there's actually a guy here that has an ad up in the Woodworking Shop that wants to help people with their projects. I could probably put him to work. As far as social activities, I think Preferred RV Park is #1 on my list. It's a fantastic resort, and I think the best thing of all is you can stay here for 14 nights on Passport America. So, would I stay at Preferred RV Resort again? I would definitely stay at Preferred RV Resort again, especially with the Passport America deal. They allow you to stay 14 nights max on Passport America, which comes out to $20 a night, I believe. And if you're not already signed up for Passport America, I highly recommend doing so. If you just use it 3 times in 1 year, it pays for itself. I use it about 20 or 30 times per year. If you're ready to get started right now, go ahead and click on my link in my description, and you can sign up right away, and that helps me out as well. Okay, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.